This is Photoshop's new enhancement, a little something called Generative Fill, which you can start using right now. Here's the story. Adobe Firefly offers a user-friendly prompt system where users simply type a description, and the system generates images based on the input. As part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite of apps, Firefly isn't just one tool but a set of generative AI models designed to work seamlessly with Adobe's software. This integration allows users to create images, textures, and text effects. Generative Fill is the feature infused into every selection feature in Photoshop and has led to the creation of a new generative layer type for non-destructive work. Generative Fill allows users to add content, remove or replace parts of an image, and extend the edges of an image using their natural language to prompt Photoshop. The Generative Fill feature enables users to remove areas of an image's background and then paint in a new background using text prompts. This functionality not only allows users to replace entire or areas of a background but also layer in and add small details, from new characters to adjusting shadows and lighting. In conclusion, Adobe Firefly's integration into Photoshop marks a significant shift in Adobe's approach to AI, offering exciting possibilities for creativity and collaboration. As of now, Firefly is in beta stage and is only available for non-commercial use, with certain geographical and age restrictions. Yet, its early success and the positive response from the creative community signal a promising future for Adobe Firefly and the role of generative AI. Here are some creative examples of people using the tool.
There's no way to explain.